Forgive me, Andrew Lloyd Webber. But if I die, see the saga through and do the things you ask of me. Let them hate me, hit me, hurt me, nail me to the tree. I'm sorry, Elsa. Let it go, can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. Cold never bothered me anyway. This is really hard to play. Joy to the world, the LEGO Mindstorms set is here. Get it in time for Christmas. And if you want to build this cool guitar, get my book too. Greetings from Danny's lab. Ciao.